Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kamatera for on-demand VDS scaling, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Kamatera for on-demand VDS scaling, start by visiting the Kamatera website. On the homepage, locate and click on the Sign Up button. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill out the required information in the sign-up form. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, fill in your first and last name. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Input your phone number for account recovery. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating that you accept the terms. Once all fields are filled, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Kamatera. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Kamatera dashboard. Log in using the email and password you just created. On the dashboard, you can explore various services offered. To begin VDS scaling, navigate to the Cloud section. Click on VDS to access the virtual dedicated server options. You will see various configuration options to customize your VDS. Select the desired operating system for your server. Choose the amount of CPU, RAM, and storage based on your needs. Review the pricing details displayed for your selections. If satisfied, click on the Create Server button. Your VDS will now begin the provisioning process. Once the server is ready, you will receive a notification. Access your new VDS from the dashboard under the My Servers tab. To scale your VDS on demand, return to the Cloud section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.